I'm Shay Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Matt Healy, the CEO of Astute Metals. Matt, it's great to see you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks, Shay. It's been a long time. Good to see you.
It certainly has, but since it's been a long time between you and I speaking, you've gone and done some fantastic work at your Red Mountain Lithium Project. Now, just yesterday on the 20th of January, you announced to the market an 86.9 metre intercept outside known mineralisation. Mate, talk us through some of the finer details of this particular discovery.
Yeah, of course. Thanks, Shay. Yeah, look, it's a great intersection. It's our thickest to date of the project. And the fact that it's north of the previous drilling, it means that it's extended the known mineralisation. So we've got a nice thick intercept outside of the known mineralisation. And what we have now is we have drill intercepts over a 5-kilometre strike at the project. It's still pretty early days. We've only drilled 13 holes in total, but every single one of those has intersected lithium mineralisation. So it's a fantastic outcome. Look, this sort of thickest intercept to date, excellent grade, almost 1500 ppm on average, with a nice, thick, high-grade zone in the middle.
What does this mean for the project overall? As you said, you've drilled 13 holes to date. How does this new intercept, this new information, fit in what you've been working on?
Look, I mean, if your viewers that have seen us talk before would know that we only made this discovery in June last year. So it's been 8 months. We started off with an RC drilling campaign, 11 holes, hit lithium in every single one of those. So the purpose of this was to go, okay, we'll have we did drill 2 diamond holes, and we were trying to firm up our understanding of the geology, as well as extended the mineralisation a bit further north, and add another zone in the first of the 2 diamond holes. Now, we've been successful in both of those, so it gives us a lot of confidence about our interpretation of what's going on with the rocks at Red Mountain. But the other significant thing is when you look at the project as a whole, you've got 5 kilometres of strike, so it's an enormous amount of potential. The drilling's it's over 1 kilometre wide in places as well, so we've got a very broad area, and that's backed up by really good soil sampling data, and we've got rock chips to show that there's lithium potential 1 kilometre further north of this hole again, and a kilometre south of the southernmost drill hole. So, you know, we've extended mineralisation, we've got blue sky to extend it again. Looking really good.
It certainly is. There also looks to be some life in the lithium market overall. That spot price, that carbonate price, seems to be coming off recent lows. So what does that leave ahead for Astute Metals for the next few months?
Yeah, look, we're right in the thick of planning our next drill campaign at Red Mountain. And so we've got the first cab off the rank is to plan that additional drilling. Get that permitted, and as soon as it's warm enough to get out there and drill again, that's our plan. So, but investors can also look forward to another couple of bits of news in the interim. We did some geological mapping last year that we're finalising all of that at the moment, and we're looking to also put out a JORC compliant exploration target for the project.
And just to wrap it up, I wouldn't mind separating what makes Red Mountain stand out a bit. Now, first of all, it's based in Nevada, which is a mining-friendly jurisdiction, but it's not hard rock lithium, which is what Australians are most familiar with. It's clay-hosted, isn't it? Tell me, what are the benefits of a clay-hosted lithium deposit? Yeah,
look, Shay, we've talked about the scale. That's one of the big attractive parts of these style of deposits. They're laterally, they're quite big and they're continuous. But look, one of the other key things is that you can actually produce a battery product, like a lithium carbonate battery product, directly from clays at the mine. So you're not producing a lithium concentrate that then needs to go to China, for example, with all the geopolitical elements that come along with that, then needs to be processed and further refined into a battery product, because that's an extra cost, there's extra profit margin involved, and an extra party. So with the clays, you can go straight to a battery product, and that's one of the key benefits of these things.
Fantastic. Matt, thank you so much for this update. It was fabulous to have you on, and I look forward to future news from you.
Thanks, Jay.